Hey kids, this is Miss A here again. Today I'm going to read another Elephant and Piggie book. And the name is called Pigs Makes Me Sneeze. Achoo! Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want... Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you, Piggy. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald... No, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? Meow. No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great! Now cats make me sneeze too. Meow. I do not think pigs makes you sneeze. I do not think cats makes you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, 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 Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Now I'm sick. Hey kids, do you ever experience that you thought you are allergic to something, but it's actually not, and actually you're sick? I actually experienced before. But all I wish you all healthy and won't experience that. Alright, again, this is a really fun book, and I wish Gerald will never be allergic to Piggy because they are best friends, right? Again, I hope you all like this book, and I shall see you all next time. Bye!